To fix nicotine-stained fingers, washing them thoroughly with soap and water is usually enough to fix them. However, for tougher stains, you may need to use some toothpaste. First, wet your hands and apply toothpaste to a clean toothbrush. Then, use the toothbrush to scrub the stains on your hands until they're all gone. You can also use aspirin to remove nicotine stains. Dissolve 2 to 3 uncoated aspirin tablets in a bowl of hot water and soak your hands for 15 minutes. Alternatively, rub some lemon juice on the stains. Lemon has natural bleaching properties, which might help lift the stains on your hands. For nicotine stains on your fingernails, mix 4 tablespoons, 60 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide, and half a cup, 120 milliliters of water. Soak your nails in the mixture for 15 minutes. Then use a toothbrush to buff off any remaining stains.